Welcome, Lightworkers. Welcome to this angel number card pull. This deck is by Sishui, and this number is for the week. Let's see what number wants to come up for us for this week. And remember, if this card comes up the day that I pull it, or from 5 years from now, this number will be important to you this coming week. Maybe even a little extended time, but I do usually by the week. So let's see. I'm going to cut it in half, and then we're going to take the top one right here, and we have 2020. Compassion, mercy, diplomacy. Can you see this here? Diplomacy, potential, service, healing, adaptability, renewal. Your beliefs and assumptions are validated, showing that you are on the right path. Embrace your talents and gifts, using them to benefit both the world and your own prosperity. Serve others with kindness and generosity, as your potential is boundless. As your potential is boundless. Thank you for joining me today. May Source and the Force be with you. See you next time.